Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Check your iPhone model and iOS to ensure editing tools behave the same. Once done, back up the original. Use iCloud or Files so you can revert if needed. Now open the Photos app and tap the mirrored selfie you want to fix. You're not just looking, you're getting into edit mode. Make sure to tap Edit on the top right, because that unlocks the crop and rotate tools you'll use in the next step. You're in edit mode. Tap the crop icon and locate the rotate/flip controls. Now apply a horizontal flip to reverse the mirror effect. This corrects text and asymmetry. If the image is tilted, rotate slightly to align horizons or faces. Use grid lines for precision. Once aligned, zoom and adjust crop to remove awkward edges. Make sure to tap Done to save changes. If something looks off, you can always hit Revert to go back to the original file. Finish by handling fine details. If skin tones, highlights, or perspective need work, open the edited image in Snapseed or Lightroom and use selective healing or perspective tools. Once done, export a copy at maximum resolution so you preserve quality. Make sure to compare the original and fixed versions side by side to confirm the mirror correction and crops look natural. If edits disappear or won't save, check iCloud Photos Sync and available local storage. Those are the most common causes of lost edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.